I'm Hope Zimmerman, a licensed architect with my practice in downtown Denville with my twin sister Faith, and we've been doing this for the last 28 years. And typically, we work with homeowners who have a change in the family dynamic, and this could be a new baby, elderly parents moving in, adult kids moving out, or adult kids moving back in.
So with this change in the family dynamic, they find that the house no longer suits their needs. With more people, it might be too small, it's cramped, they're all on top of each other. It might be that they need more bedrooms. It might mean that they need fewer bedrooms. It might mean they need a more open floor plan, or possibly they have a need for more privacy.
So we guide them through the whole process, hold their hand, and so that instead of being scary, it can be fun. We understand that your surroundings can totally affect your life, your spirit, and even your emotional well-being.
So when you work with us, you are building with hope and faith.